Ready? Okay. Look,
Help
no.
me now?
Huh?
Help me now?
No, wait. Look, no. The big one is yours, right? Alright. You open your gift. Go.
Really?
Huh? That's Meme. Oh, look at it. Look. It's fast. Look.
Another one.
Oh, that's.
Okay, the other side.
Huh?
Oh, okay, on that. No. Open it on that end. No. That end. Yeah. Yeah.
Is it heavy?
Heavy. Mine's is heavier.
Huh? Maybe it's an Xbox.
I know what it is. It is an Xbox.
It's an Xbox?
Yes.
What? That's why it's heavy? Oh, okay.
Here's it. You open the string. God.
So you're gonna have a 2 Xbox?
So I'm gonna open from here. It's easier.
There you go. That's how you do it. And look. Like Meme, look, see?
Even on the other side where it says close to open.
He don't know how to read.
Well,
Okay. There you go.
I got it. There's one in the back. I told you that small box is better, huh?
There's more, isn't it?
There's only one.
There's more inside there.
Right. Oh, yeah, there's one. Oh, another one. Oh, man,
That's 3 actually. That's 3.
3.
No, look at that.
Oh.
No, look at the Batman thing. See, that's 2 inside there.
I got this features.
That's 3 games.
I told you to get the small one better. What? I can't open this thing.
Maybe it's an Xbox, huh? That's why
I
it's
know what
heavy.
it is, but it's there. No,
What is it? What is it, Nog?
It's an Xbox.
An Xbox?
Yeah. Sure? Yeah. Okay. It's crazy.
No. Check it out. Check it out. No.
Ah!